Hey everyone, Jeremy Music here at Freedom Outdoors. Are you in the Parkersburg or surrounding area? If so, and you're looking for a new bass boat, Freedom Outdoors should be your choice. Come down here, take a look. They're all indoors. You can get in here, feel them, touch them. Hey, Ranger, Skeeter, Triton, Charger, they're all here. If you can't make it, jump on Freedom Outdoors website. Also check us out on YouTube. Facebook is there as well. We're always posting new models. We're always posting new sales. Check us out.